Watch AI create a motorcycle sales and customer insights dashboard from scratch. This is what we're building today. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. First, we'll import our motorcycle sales data into Bricks. Just click Import Data and upload your file. The data uploads instantly. Now we click Create Dashboard and watch the magic happen. Bricks AI is analyzing every column, understanding customer demographics, sales patterns, engine capacities, and payment methods. It's intelligently designing the perfect visualizations for motorcycle dealership insights. The AI creates 9 dynamic charts showing everything from units sold by engine capacity to customer age versus sale price, plus detailed tables for top dealers and brand performance. Perfect! Our motorcycle sales and customer insights dashboard is complete with comprehensive analytics. We can instantly customize the theme to match our brand. Now let's switch to presentation mode for stakeholder meetings. This full-screen view is perfect for boardroom presentations, highlighting key metrics like monthly sales trends, top accessories, customer demographics, and geographic performance. Every chart is interactive and professionally formatted. We can easily navigate between insights and drill down into specific data points. Back to edit mode, we can scroll through all our interactive widgets and make real-time adjustments. Try Bricks today and transform how you work with data.